I'm going to show you how to check recently watched videos on TikTok. So if you ever want to kind of just know what you've watched or you want to go back and rewatch something, it's real easy to do. So let's go ahead to our TikTok account. And what we're going to do is go to our profile. If you're not already on it, it's on the bottom right-hand corner of some of the options here. And then go to the three bars at the top right corner. So from here, you want to go down to settings and privacy, and then scroll down until you find Activity Center under Content and Display. So once you're in the Activity Center, all you really need to do is go to the very top where it says Watch History. Go ahead and click that, and it's going to filter by date. There are other parameters that you can have here, but that's it. This will give you all of your recently watched videos from the closest to the farthest away, so you can just kind of go through and scroll through what you've watched. But that's it. It's super simple and easy to find these watch videos just in case you want to go back and re-watch them.